We removed the transom core from the Mako, and you'll see we're going to go through the same process we just went through with the stringer. All the stringer parts, where we'll wrap this all in 1708, 2 layers, around all the caps, around the edges, and we'll put 3 layers. A transom core is laminated, it's under bag.
All you gotta do is do stuff like that. A little fillet action.
Blast and tab to our stringers. Joe, Stanley, and Eric are prepping for the layup of the transom skin to the Mako. We raised it up to at least make transom surface perpendicular to the floor so we don't have the negative angle working against us. You guys are going to take their time and do a hand layup here on the first couple of layers.
Finished the transom, 254 Mako. Placed it, blasted in, epoxy. Safe to say that's never going anywhere ever again.
Joe stole these details, the halter deck joint details, off of the old transom skin. After the application of, we'll have to check in with Joe how many coats of our Duratec high build primer. Very different than our surfacing primer. This is a much thicker material. In fact, you can see, which looks like globs, is in fact Joe mixes up a paste, adding a little silica to it prior to coming in and spraying multiple coats over it.